American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, at Billy Lane's Sons of Speed Antique Board Track Racing. So we got the fast 61s out here, and these are the, I believe, getting close to the semifinals now. These are some very, very fast bikes. No brakes, no clutch, no transmission, no suspension. Right up against the wall. Fast line, we got 4 bikes out there. Their speeds probably 80, 85 miles an hour, perhaps a little more. Going down the back straightaway, going into turn 3. We got a pass. Okay, Billy's passed him. So it's a 3-way race. Jody Perowitz, who won it last year, was dragging way behind, unable to keep up with the fast action. These bikes are very, very fast. I believe the bike in the lead is Billy, riding one of Matt Wachsler's motorcycles. Matt was racing this in the past. Now Billy is. Mike Lang on a factory works bike. It's right on his tail, not giving up an inch. These are 3 very, very fast bikes. Poor Jody Perowitz is not able to keep up. It's not her fault. These are some seriously quick motors, and I'm not sure that how big hers is. Okay, coming into turn 3, down the back, and into turn 4. Way out front, pulling it away. This is the white flag. It's the last lap. Going down to turn 1, out into turn 2, down the back straightaway. Unless something happens, Billy's going to walk away with this one, and Mike Lang follow up in 2nd place. No brakes, no clutch, no suspension. So Billy took it on Matt Wachsler's bike. Mike Lang took 2nd. Here's Jody. Once again, this is Buzz Cantor from American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, at Billy Lane's Sons of Speed, March 2019. And here they're coming in. They remember there's no brakes, so it's still a hot track. What they do is they ground out the magneto, which kills the motor, and they're coasting in just on the flywheel power.